how to share location on WhatsApp. So go ahead and open WhatsApp, go to chats, open a conversation to whom you want to share your location with, and to share location, click on the plus icon, choose the location, and now you can either send your current location by choosing the send your current location, or you can send the location of a specific place that you want to share. To do this, use the search bar, or you can also browse through the list in here. So choose a place, and right after choosing, its location will then be shared. Lastly, we can also send our live location. By doing this, your location for a certain duration will all be monitored and seen by the user you sent the location to. Even if you move from place to another, everything will be seen by that user. So that is how to share location on WhatsApp. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.